product represents a unique SKU in Warehance. Products are used to receive, move, and track inventory. They're also used to help manage and ship orders and are integral to nearly every aspect of Warehance. A product belongs to a client and can be viewed and edited both by the client and the owning organization. A product can be associated with multiple different marketplaces or stores as well. This means you can receive orders for the same product from multiple different stores. Products can be automatically created by connecting a new store or marketplace integration. When a store is connected, all the products from that store will either be associated with an existing Warehance product via SKU or will be created as a new Warehance product. Products can also manually be created by clicking the New Product button at the top right-hand corner of the Products table. Products have editable fields such as title, description, value, SKU, barcode, replenishment level, and more. Products also have special attributes such as requires lot and non-shippable that can be turned on to affect the receiving process as well as the picking and shipping process. Products also have physical attributes such as product dimensions and weight. Product weight is used in the shipping process to estimate the weight of a shipment. Product dimensions are also often used in the shipping process in order to suggest the best fitting box for a shipment. The product details page offers multiple different features, such as the edit product details, where you can change the information associated with the product. It also offers the adjust inventory and transfer inventory functions, which will be covered in the inventory overview video. Basic inventory information can be viewed from the product info tab under the product details page, as seen here. However, if you want a more comprehensive view of the current state of this product's inventory, click on the inventory tab right next to the product info tab. Here you can see inventory locations, history, and the basic inventory information. The product details page also offers other tabs such as orders, where you can see all the current outstanding orders with this product, components or bundles, where you can see any bundles or components associated with the product, as well as marketplaces and notes.